Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing for you all a hair care range. Now since you all know that I've colored my hair recently, so because of that my hair has become a bit dry and damaged and I wanted to change my hair care routine. I came across this brand called Wishcare and I've got the entire coconut range from them. So if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on this range, stay tuned and keep on watching. These are all the products that I have from the brand Wishcare and this is the entire coconut range. Now quickly talking about the brand, Wishcare is an Indian based brand which is really great and I also love their tagline which is "You Wish We Care." I think it gives a very personal feel to the customers and the brand is organic, it is vegan, it is cruelty free, it is sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, and I think it has all the good stuff that a hair care brand needs. The very first product is this coconut oil, how the packaging looks like. So it is 100% pure, unrefined and cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. I really loved it. I have used this I think almost 5 times now. You can easily see that the quantity has gone down till here. I love the packaging and it is a multi-purpose oil. You can use it for cooking, you can use it for your skin, and you can also use it as a hair care. This is a 200 ml product. I will be dropping the purchase link and the price in the description box down below, so do have a look. Packaging is plastic and it comes with a cap like this, so it has an opening right here and you can take out the product from here. But what I really liked about this packaging is that it comes with a nozzle like this, so you can fix it up here, you can take it off and you can fix it up like this and you'll get the product from here and you can easily get into your scalp and then you can easily apply. I really love this oil and I would highly recommend you to try it. All have been using coconut oil since our childhood and we know that coconut oil has a lot of benefits. It helps you to get rid of your dry and damaged hair. It also helps in hair growth and leaves your hair very shiny and smooth. Moving further, I have this combo of shampoo and conditioner from the Wishcare and I'll quickly talk about the packaging first. The shampoo and conditioner have the similar packaging. So it is a plastic packaging like you can see, comes with a pump. It is a plastic packaging but all of their packagings are recyclable, which is really great, and it comes with a pump like this. It has an open and a close option right here, so you can twist the pump and then just pump your product and then you can close it. It is perfect for traveling. It is very safe and both the products are 300 ml. Their coconut range is for dry and damaged hair, so basically it is for hair repair, which I think is really great. All of their products are sulfate free, paraben free and cruelty free. The product link I will be mentioning in the description box down below, so you can have a look. I'll quickly go through a few of the ingredients because I really love the ingredients and the entire range. So it has biotin, coconut milk, coconut oil, aloe vera, shea butter, bee wax, sunflower, macadamia oil, hemp seed oil, neem oil, sea buckthorn oil and so on. So it has all of the good stuff. I have been using this range for over 20 days now and I really like it. Talking about the shampoo, this is the coconut creme shampoo, biotin enriched, and it has a repairing formula. Now we all know that coconut has a lot of skin and hair benefits. Coconut helps in hair growth. It gives a very nice shine to your hair. It also works on dry and damaged hair. Now since I've colored my hair, the coconut range came as a boon and I'm really loving it. Now it also has biotin and the products, shampoo and conditioner, has biotin in it. Quickly telling you all what is biotin. So biotin is basically a water soluble form of vitamin B7. Now it sounds very technical but basically biotin is a very essential vitamin that helps creating keratin in our body, and keratin is a protein that helps in our hair and nail growth. Let me show you all the consistency of this shampoo. So this is how it is. So it is pretty thick and since it is paraben free, you will find that it will not lather up much as compared to other shampoos. So you need not to take a lot of quantity of it. Take a pump or two as per your hair length, and with water just rub it into your scalp and then massage it nicely, rinse it off with water, and that's it. Don't wait for a lot of lather because since it's paraben free, you will not find a lot of lather coming up with this shampoo. Shampoo has a very nice and sweet coconutty smell which I really love. Post the shampoo comes the conditioner, and this is the coconut biotin conditioner and it is repair booster enriched with shea butter, hemp seed and macadamia. I really love it, and let me show you all the consistency of this. So the conditioner is bit runny, like you can see, as compared to the shampoo, and you just need a pump of it and just apply it towards the end of your hair and then keep it for 5-10 minutes and rinse it with plain water. This is the shampoo and conditioner. My hair feels so soft and shiny. This is my freshly washed hair and you can see that my hair is looking very smooth, and I can feel it that it is not dry at all. Sum it all up, I really love the coconut range from Wishcare and I would highly recommend you all to try it. If you're facing hair fall problem or damaged or dull hair problem, I think this is the range to go for. I can feel after a couple of usage that my hair feels very shiny, strong and smooth. That's all for this review video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my virtual family, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.